Hey there, just a quick little video, 560 Southeast Monet Drive in Port St. Lucie, or beautiful Port St. Lucie, Veranda Gardens, 1,669 square feet, lovely portico entry, paver brick driveway, and welcome home. Lovely open floor plan. I'll walk you through the floor plan real quick. Guest bedroom to your left, guest bath to your right, lovely upgraded mirror, nice little niche right here. This is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, but if you wanted it to be 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, that would be your opening. Around this corner is this beautiful flex space. Current owner uses it as home office, but that's where the door could be. Right here to the right is a drop zone, access to the garage, and that's a linen closet. And we're gonna zip through the kitchen, stone countertops, all 8-foot doors throughout this house, 9-foot ceilings, light and bright. And there's your views from the back. Huge laundry room. Washer and dryer, all appliances stay, and additional storage in this laundry room. And right next door is the primary bedroom. Beautiful views, plantation shutters, and primary bath with dual sinks, walk-in closet, nice realtor, and walk-in shower and private water closet. Headed back out, zoom, zoom, zoom. We're gonna head to the, oops, here's the beautiful great room. Sorry, I almost overlooked that. Wall-mounted televisions, 9-foot ceilings, 3M coatings on the windows. This house faces west, so that's great for afternoon sun. Walking out onto the patio, the extended lanai. Partially covered, partially uncovered. Completely fenced backyard, because if you're like everyone else in Florida and many in Veranda Gardens, you have a fur baby. So I cannot wait to see you. Call me 772-577-1225. See you soon in Veranda Gardens.